Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get DRAX'S knife in Gothic 1 Remake. DRAX'S knife is a quest item hidden in the early areas of the game. What you'll want to do is head down through this valley and continue past this gate. A little farther ahead, you'll find this bridge. Keep following the path under the bridge until you see this tree. Be careful in this area as there are two enemies that you'll encounter when you get here. On the right side of this tree, you'll find a small wooded area. You can loot the arrows and a club around this skeleton, but what's important here is DRAX'S hunting knife, hidden in the ground just to the left of this corpse. You'll need this in a moment to get a good early game bow that you can use throughout the early areas of Chapter 1. It's extremely easy to miss and you won't need to backtrack once you reach DRAX. And that's how to get DRAX'S knife in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.